Molding the Mind. Exploring the Wonders of Neuroplasticity. 1. Introduction. The Dynamic Brain. Ever-changing landscape. The concept of neuroplasticity unveils the brain's remarkable ability to adapt, reorganize, and reshape itself in response to experiences, learning, and environmental stimuli. This dynamic quality challenges the traditional view of a static and fixed brain. 2. Defining neuroplasticity. A shifting paradigm. Adaptive rewiring. Neuroplasticity refers to the brain's capacity to reorganize its structure, functions, and connections in response to internal and external stimuli. This process involves synaptic changes, alterations in neural pathways, and even the generation of new neurons. Synaptic plasticity. At the core of neuroplasticity lies synaptic plasticity, the ability of synapses, junctions between neurons, to strengthen or weaken in response to activity. This fundamental mechanism underlies learning, memory, and cognitive processes. 3. Types of neuroplasticity. Unveiling diversity. Structural plasticity involves physical changes in the brain's structure, such as the formation of new synapses or the pruning of existing ones. This type of plasticity is prominent during development and in response to learning. Functional plasticity focuses on the brain's ability to redistribute tasks and functions. If a certain brain region is damaged, other areas may adapt to take on the lost functions, a phenomenon often observed in cases of injury or stroke. 4. Mechanisms of neuroplasticity. Molecular choreography. Synaptic changes. Long-term potentiation, LTP, and long-term depression, limited, are key synaptic changes associated with learning and memory. LTP strengthens synaptic connections, while limited weakens them, contributing to the brain's adaptability. Neurogenesis. The birth of new neurons, known as neurogenesis, occurs primarily in the hippocampus, a region crucial for memory and learning. This process challenges the historical belief that the adult brain does not generate new neurons. 5. Neuroplasticity in learning and memory, shaping knowledge. Educational implications. Neuroplasticity underscores the importance of enriched learning environments. It suggests that engaging and challenging experiences can stimulate synaptic connections, promoting effective learning and memory formation. Cognitive rehabilitation. In cases of brain injury or neurodegenerative disorders, understanding neuroplasticity guides cognitive rehabilitation strategies. Targeted exercises and interventions aim to harness the brain's adaptive potential for recovery. 6. Critical periods and sensitive phases. Timing matters. Developmental windows. Certain periods in life, known as critical periods, are characterized by heightened neuroplasticity. During these phases, the brain is exceptionally receptive to specific types of stimuli, influencing long-term outcomes in areas like language acquisition. Learning languages. Children often demonstrate remarkable language learning abilities during critical periods, showcasing how neuroplasticity primes the brain for acquiring complex skills. 7. Experience-dependent versus experience-independent plasticity. Adapting to the environment. Experience-dependent plasticity refers to changes in response to specific experiences or learning, emphasizing the role of individual encounters in shaping the brain. Innate development. Experience-independent plasticity, on the other hand, involves pre-programmed developmental processes that unfold irrespective of specific experiences. This type of plasticity contributes to the brain's baseline organization. 8. Challenges to neuroplasticity. Limitations and constraints. Age-related changes. While neuroplasticity persists throughout life, its magnitude may decrease with age. The aging brain faces challenges in terms of neurogenesis, synaptic plasticity, and overall adaptability. Neurological disorders. Certain neurological conditions, such as neurodegenerative diseases, can disrupt neuroplasticity, impacting the brain's ability to adapt and reorganize. Understanding these challenges is vital for developing targeted interventions. 9. Harnessing neuroplasticity for therapeutic interventions. Rehabilitation strategies. Neuroplasticity forms the basis for various therapeutic interventions, including physical and occupational therapies. These strategies aim to exploit the brain's adaptive nature to enhance recovery in individuals with neurological injuries. Cognitive training. Cognitive exercises and training programs leverage neuroplasticity to improve cognitive functions in areas like attention, memory, and problem solving. These interventions have implications for both clinical and educational settings. 10. Conclusion. A dynamic symphony of change. Eternal adaptability. Neuroplasticity paints a vivid picture of the brain as a dynamic and adaptable organ, constantly sculpted by the experiences and challenges of life. From the earliest stages of development to the complexities of learning and recovery, the brain's ability to rewire itself stands as a testament to its resilience and potential. Endless possibilities. As research delves deeper into the intricacies of neuroplasticity, unlocking its secrets may hold the key to addressing neurological disorders, optimizing educational approaches, and unraveling the mysteries of cognitive function. In the symphony of the brain, the melody of neuroplasticity plays on, offering endless possibilities for understanding and enhancing the human mind.